What's up, you guys? Most of this video is going to be a voiceover because I was fucked up. So, I'm applying primer, as you can see. Where's my eyebrow brush? Huh? Where's my eyebrow brush? You must be fucked up. It didn't hit me till I stand up. It didn't hit me till I stood up. That's crazy. Found it. Okay. Shit, where's all my concealer? What's that? Okay, so I'm mixing my concealer. I'm about to do my eyebrow. I was so messed up. I had drunk like a whole bottle of wine with my best friend, which is the voice you're hearing in the background. But so most of this video is literally just me doing my eyebrows. Yeah, and and it's I'm not. This video isn't in slow motion. I'm literally moving this slow when applying my concealer. I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay, so if you can look, I'm applying like in a ridiculous amount of concealer to this eye, like extra concealer. But on the other eye, barely any. Like the eye look dry, like it needs refreshments. Okay, and I just can't. Oh, I just realized I forgot to wet my beauty blender.
Then why don't you wet it now? I don't know who you is, but what's all?
Drunk makeup is very interesting, isn't it? With them hips. It's like a million for the devil. You'll be living right through. I've been in the morning. You'll be living right through. Alright, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony, and I'm just applying that to my brows. And this is what y'all look. This brow came out so nice, shockingly nice. Like, first of all, this looks a mess because I've got it all over my forehead, but I'm gonna fix it. It's gonna look cute. I swear, I'm gonna look cute. Look, ooh, fleek. Look at that brow, bitch. Okay, you see how good that brow looks? Look at the other one. They're not even sisters. They're not cousins. They're not even related. My other brow looks like it needs a BBL and a waist trainer. It's bad as hell. Like, I just can't. My brow looks disgusting. This brow looks disgusting. To be honest, they're like two completely different eye shapes because I got into a fight when I was younger, and that's another story for another time. But I need my eyebrows done. This looks like a mess. Bye.
So y'all, so the City Girls Twerk Challenge is for real. Nigga, it's.
Food Out Airlines. So for copyright reasons, I will be singing the song from here on out. And here we go. Slim fine woman with some twerk with her. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with her. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with her. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with her. Oh shit, do it baby, look at baby, look at baby. Fuck. Anyway, you know the song.
Pussy so wet it got my name on Miami. Why do my eyebrows look so good? Or am I tripping? Am I tripping?
I asked her if I was tripping and she said no, but look at my eyebrows. Bro.
You sound like Cardi with the stage. You sound like Cardi with the braids. You see the money in the thing. White down. That shit. Must have me confused for a rap bitch.
This tape was so important to me. I was so focused on this. Damn. So don't ask me why, but we're just going to apply the tape and we're going to tap, 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 tap. And tap, 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 tap some more. I don't fucking know why I did this. Okay, let's get into the makeup, you guys. We're finally on eyeshadow after 300 years. Now, you already know what palette I'm using because it's all up in the camera. And we're going to use the blue. That beautiful blue shade in the ABHxAlyssaEdwards palette. And we're packing that all up in the crease. Okay, we're doing it with a flat brush. And it's the Dream It shade. And then we're going to also use Texas Made and Believe, as well as Brick Road. Those are going to be the colors we're using for this palette, for this eyeshadow look.
Oh my god, my mother's calling me. Yes, Mom?
This is me editing. This is where shit hit the fan. So from now on, it will be pure voiceover and yeah. Alright, no lie, y'all, I really had to cut the audio on this because, yeah. So we're packing Dream It all in the crease. Both eyes, you're gonna get to see what it looks like. It looks very blended, very nice, period. And I'm not quite sure what I was doing or where I came up with this or what was going on. But it blended and it's pretty and I love this palette and I'm still drunk as hell, so I need y'all to work with me. And then I'm about to apply the purple Believe shade above that blue and we're gonna blend it really nice. It's gonna be lovely. Yeah. I don't even want to, if y'all could hear what I was hearing, praise the Lord. As you can see, I'm really just blending that purple in and it's coming out pretty, y'all. Like, it ain't too bad. I'm kind of happy with Drunk Heaven. Heaven kind of did that. And honestly, like, look, and this is how you know I'm drunk because I would never get in the camera like this, but that's pretty, isn't it? Okay, so I'm cutting my crease and I never use the lookup method. I actually don't like this method, which is how I knew I was under the influence because I never do it. But I'm cutting my crease. So the Danisha on Twitter, I saw her do a video of her cutting her crease like this and I've been doing it ever since. I think it's perfect, beyond perfect for cutting your crease to like cut your whole lid. But anyway, you should follow her on Twitter. I'll leave it in the description. But this is how I cut my crease. And as you can see, it's wonky again, just like my eyebrows. One is like a high dome and the other one's like flat and fat, like Dale Dimmadome. And this was a mess. Okay, so I didn't know what I was doing. I think I was trying to do a halo eye, but once you see the final look, it's not a halo eye, so I really don't know. But I'm putting the pink shade in the palette. I'm putting Texas Made in the middle and then Brick Road on the sides. I really don't know what I was doing, guys. I just saw colors and I was like, let's get it poppin'. You guys, I then went back in with Believe, the purple color, and added that to the edges. Oh shit. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about the technical difficulty, but I literally lost all footage. I had to cut my camera off because of what was going on in the background. But I'm applying my highlight. That's literally all I'm doing. I've done the entire eyeshadow look. It's really pretty. I'm not sure how I did it, but it came out really well. My face came out well. I sobered up a lot, as you can tell, compared to the beginning of the video, because of everything that was going on. Now, if you check my makeup page, I probably put all the details to it there. The highlight that I'm using is from BHcosmetics Zodiac palette. It's their highlight shade in that palette. And then, yeah. Alright you guys, so I've applied my highlight and I'm just applying Brick Road to my eyes as well as Dream It, and it just made my eyes look a little bit bigger, and I'm applying that underneath my eyes, and then that's literally all I'm doing. And then this is the final look, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, although it really wasn't a tutorial, but I'm sorry, I don't really have a lot of footage of it, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bells, leave a comment on what you guys would like me to post, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'm just applying mascara, so pay no attention to me. But if you did make it this far in the video, please leave a comment below of like a pink emoji or a yellow emoji, just so I know you actually made it this far. And yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go now.